Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are a fan of Zara and love shopping on their app, you might find yourself needing to change your delivery address at some point. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change your Zara delivery address on your phone. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Zara app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Now make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this interface on the app. Now in order to change your Zara delivery address, you need to first choose the products. You can select any product you want and add to the cart. Here you can see the add button, tap on it. Choose the size and this is added to your cart. Here you can see the shopping cart icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. You will see all of your added items to the shopping cart. Here you can see the buy button at the bottom. Tap on it. Just before the checkout process, in this window, you will see the option of delivery address. Tap on it to edit. Now update the address details as per your choice. Here you will see all the addresses you have saved. Find the address you want to change and tap on it to edit. Here you can update all of your address details. Make sure you enter all the required information. And after you fill in the information, you can see the save button over here. Tap on it. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Zara delivery address on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.